What's going on? Shit, back with another video. Boom. Got some Catless Midpipes for the Daytona. Got a couple cars, so we're gonna start moving these bitches around. See if this one even turns on. It's been about a month since I turned it on, so I'm gonna post you guys up. Just hit my shit. Lucky $2 bills. Yeah, yes sir. A little hot in here. Next thing we gotta do is turn this one on, move this one out, put this one on the street, bring this one in, and yeah, I'll let y'all see that real quick too. For the Beamer, I'll be keeping the battery out because I don't be driving this shit. Oh, you feel me? Yeah. fully jacked up. I'm gonna do the unboxing real quick for y'all. I'm not gonna hold you. I'm a little thirsty. Jacking this car up. Let me go get something to drink real quick. But honest opinion of this, it don't look bad. You gotta get yourself this unless you wanna go to the exhaust shop and have them fucking modify it, or get one of those things that expand the inside of your. You slip it inside of your pipe and it expands it, practically kind of like that. But yeah, might as well just get the adapter. Comes with the little hose clamps. Get yourself some O2 Fowlers. Let me run upstairs and get those as well. I got some on the car, but I still gotta check engine light, so hopefully this clears everything. These are little O2 Fowlers I got. I had a little bit of thread locker on there because on my E46, I done had fucking O2 Fowlers, O2 come out without thread locker, even when installed by shops. So maybe heat, cheap fucking hardware, I don't know. Cheap fucking metal, Asian shit, Chinese bullshit. Y'all feeling me? That shit don't even want to go in. That's that janky shit. Trying to put the Catless Midpipes on full, but I have already fucked with the exhaust. The little adapters that they put are too long. I don't know how much would it be to, you know, come through and cut and weld. So with these fucking Midpipes, they fit. They fit. Don't get me wrong. But if you have a modified exhaust, they will not. I have my little adapters right there. They do not fit. I have to go to the exhaust shop at this point because I don't think I did it at this point. I might have a huge ass exhaust leak. But we finna get it done. This motherfucker finna sound like a fucking like a Chevy Silverado or some shit right now. Wow. Oh, that shit dead. Put a jump box on, see if it goes. Hell yeah, thank you, my boy. I appreciate you. You okay?